Merge masters in Busy. With the help of this utility, you can merge any two accounts or items in Busy. This is required when by mistake any two accounts or items are created with same name and having some minor changes under the name. Also, both the accounts or items have been used under transactions and entries are posted using both the accounts. So, let us see the same in Busy. First of all, we will check the accounts having same name. Here you can see Busy Infotech Private Limited and Busy Infotech Private Limited having some minor changes in the name. Both the accounts are created. Now let us see the transactions of both the accounts. Busy Infotech Private Limited, 2 entries are posted, and Busy Infotech Private Limited, here also 2 entries are posted. Now we will merge these two masters. For this we'll go to administration, bulk updation, merge masters. Item account. You can merge any two items or any two accounts. Right now we are selecting account because we want to merge two account masters. Select source account. That is, select the wrong account which you want to merge. Select target account. That is, select the correct account within which you want to merge the another master. Delete source account after merging data. Enable this option if you want to delete source account, that is the wrong account, after merging of data. Click OK button. Do you want to start merging data? Yes. And data is merged successfully. Now again we'll check the ledger of Busy Infotech Private Limited. Here you can see only one account is appearing because the wrong account is deleted after merging of data. And also you can see all the entries of the wrong account are posted under the correct account. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.